the worst road in Thailand. Looks like it just built straight into soil. You interested? Go on. Morning all. A lovely, bright morning. It's not too hot yet, but as you can tell, my eyes are starting to close already. Nice chevron there, meaning go left. And this place is, some nice sleeping dogs. This is still only about, I'm gonna, come down a bad road here, about 6 kilometers from town, from Khon Kaen city. And there you go, you're right on some fields, but you're also in some lovely road. Ow. And yeah, look, nice field. And I can see a house for sale already. There we go. See, it's not too bad here. It's quite a nice area. It's very Thai, but there we go. The first house. Now obviously this is a bungalow. I don't know anything about... Now the problem with these guys is I don't know anything about these houses. All you can see there, it's for sale, and there is a number. This is the area that we're in. Some lovely big houses behind, and it goes to the field I've just shown you over there. And obviously some dogs, but it's clearly a doer-upper. I don't know. No, I don't think anyone lives in it anymore, but if you like smallish bungalows, it's quite small. With small rooms. Apologise for the dogs if you can hear them, just hope they can't get out. Or I'm gonna be back quick. So there you go. Don't know how much this is, but... And retreat. I don't know. I'll go over here because it's just... You probably can't hear me. Oh, yeah. You can't hear me because of the dogs. But, I don't know. What do you think? Of course, it's not ready to move in. This would need probably $500,000 to do it up. I don't know. But again, if you're ever interested, let me know. Let's call this house 1. Let's roll. I'm gonna go back, carry on going this way. It looked more promising. That was just one road down to a dead end. So we're back here. And then we've got that. Could have skimmed it on the back. Thais don't do that. I've seen it so many times. Someone built a wall near us a while ago, and I ended up getting a guy to come out and skim in the other side of the wall on our side. It's just for what it was worth. Okay. Do I have to get out of here quick? Oh, dog. It's waiting to chase me. I know it is. If you stay here, it won't chase me. Right, we're... Okay, dead end. Big house there. Ow. And plenty of land. That'll be for sale for sure. It's got the plants up. But, sorry, I just have to turn the camera off then. Use both hands and bomb it. They had 2 dogs come out after me. Some nice big houses here. And that looks like it either is or was going to be a little knockdown house of some description. So it's only tiny, it's only a little square. But it's more like an office one, but you can see all the insulation there. Tons of insulation. This is in the process of being built, obviously. There you go, that gives you a look at that. It gets some insulation inside. And a lot of the ones nowadays, a lot of the knockdown houses nowadays have this insulation. There, can you see it? Right the way through. Otherwise, you can't even touch that, it's boiling hot. And obviously you need aircon as well, but yeah. But I think that's more like an office. It's very small. I think they're gonna have an office maybe outside, or they're gonna build it. I don't know, I have no idea what it's for. And some, papaya, bok bok. As I say a million times, I have no idea where I am already. It's weird doing this. I enjoy it a lot. So where to next? Oh, them again. Oh. Ah! Come on. He was all right in. A lot of them, you got to remember, a lot of them are just playing. They're not serious. But Thais think I'm mad. Just riding around for no apparent reason. Ah, this is a bit different. What have we here? We have a dog that's probably going to get me. Alright, mate. Ooh. Yeah. This is a bit more rustic. There's some kids. I don't know. Hello. Yo. Kids. Yes, this is let's just call this a very rustic place. To be honest, if there's no restaurant there or anything, if there was, I'd have probably eaten there. I'm not convinced of going there. Yeah, there's a few dogs there, and the gate's open, so it looks like they're attackers. They're gonna get your dogs. Ow. Looks like they're clearing some more land there. And I'm going this way, wherever this way is. Right, that's it. Forget houses today. I have found officially the worst road in Thailand. 100%, this is amazing. You've seen I've been going around here, this area, and I found a few dodgy roads. I think this just takes the biscuit to the point I'm gonna walk you along it before I go on the bike. See if I can do it. Have a look at this. It's not too bad here. Not too bad, not too bad. Not a bad road. Nice bit of music going on in the background. Until we turn a corner. Yay! Come on, guys. Have you seen a worse road than this? Look at it. This is beautiful. Look, it's all collapsed. Totally and utterly, all the way along, just gone. Totally and utterly. I can't even walk. I'm struggling to walk on it. Now they are doing building work over there, so maybe the diggers or whatever have smashed it to pieces and it will be repaired afterwards. Wow. God, it's really bad. It's official though, for me. That's the worst road in Thailand. And the worst thing is, people live there. Look, right on the road. The soi, whatever you want to call it, the street. But yeah, look, they're clearly building here, so I think it's going to get done afterwards. They've even put some stuff out here, I think, to stop the car sinking. Because, look, it's gone again here, really gone. What causes it? Soil erosion underneath, badly made. Just dumping concrete on top of a bit of soil, which is probably likely. If you come over here, if I can, look how, yeah, looks like it just built straight into soil. Doesn't last, does it? Maybe a bit of erosion or whatever. Carries on up there and it does look pretty grim up there as well, but this is the bit, this is the worst bit. Yeah? It's got to be the worst road in the world. It's absolutely just gone. Right, let's try it on the bike. Here we go. Check out this road. Look at it. Can't get up it. Oh, there's ace in it. He's getting properly out. It's really hard on the bike. It's all been smashed. Look. Wow. Then it sort of goes okay. And then it's really bad again. And it's terrible up there as well. And then we've got a house for sale. Definitely a ready to move in house. But I'm not sure anyone will want to buy that. Bloody hell. That's a mess, isn't it? But if you want, phone Gemini and get yourself a nice house. Wow, that needs some severe work done on it. I think there's only one option for this house. You get the land, decent piece of land. Look at that. Get free rubbish. But it's been protected, I suppose. Obviously just stop people living in there. But would you want that? Could you live there? And that's on that wonderful road as well, under the little path. There are houses here, some decent ones. There's one just being built over there. But I would say the likelihood of this one is a knock down and start again. They started an extension at some point. Cool, eh? This is now officially my favourite house. It's gorgeous. You get the land there, I don't know how far it goes, but decent bit of land. It'd be a nice house if you'd have to knock it down, I think, and redo it, or see if it's structurally sound. But you can see the roof looks crap. And I don't think that's been lived in for at least a week. But it is for sale. Can I see in? Any windows open? Nah, they're all boarded up, everything. Ain't going anywhere in there. Nah, all boarded up, as you can see. Probably to stop the rubbish from living there. Huh, cool, eh? So there we go, bye-bye. House see the, oh, it's just as bad here. Just going right through the middle of it. Yeah, it's not very safe on the bike, this, I tell you. I'm doing it one-handed, remember this bit. I'm on slow. But some fairly new houses there. Oh, nice. Nice houses there. Very nice. And there's clearly another one going up there. I don't know, you tell me guys, is it cheaper to just buy a small plot of land and build one like that, or like this one over here, put the effort in and remodel it? Maybe tear parts of it down, I don't know. But I've definitely got to go down this little road again. You interested? I'll give Gemini a call for you. Duranrai, 75 Duranrai, I think, is the piece of land. But there you go, that's looking down on Thailand's best road. And then let's go this way. With a dog in the middle. It's alright kid, you stay there. I'll move, no, you're alright. Going down the hill and up the hill. Wow. Nice crack. But it's not too bad. Some business in there. And there we are. Oh, there it goes again. Another nice. What do you think cars just drive along and then all of a sudden, pop, down it goes? Must do. And I'm a fat git, so I'm worried. And I've got a dog coming after me. Is he going to get me? Looks like it, doesn't it? I'm going to be on guard here. I'm going to have to go. He looks quite tough as well. Tough old boy. On 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Go on. He's still after me. There we go. Oh, that was close, that one. He was nipping at my legs. And then just past Death Road at Lowesmore. The road's still pretty bad, but I thought the road's terrible. But some very nice houses, some land for sale there. Nice big plot of land. Yeah, quite nice here. Ow! Apart from the, what are they called? Sleeping policemen. I don't know what they're called in Thai. I don't even know. These things. And what do they call them in America? Slow speed stoppers? I don't know. You tell me, guys. We call them sleeping policemen, i.e. things that slow you down. Right, I think it's this way back home, but I'm not entirely sure. Anyway, I'm just about done around here. Ow. Wow, that's lovely. Hang on a minute. Can't really see it all. I don't know if anyone's in. Let's just go for it a bit. Let's look at this. Wow, that is one impressive house. All wood, stunning. Really, really beautiful. I'm not going to look too long because it's somebody's house, obviously. But isn't that beautiful? It's like a temple. Beautiful. But maintenance, I don't know. And dogs, I'm off. Getting a bit dog weary at the minute. Okay guys, that'll just about do for today. I'm gonna shoot off back home. I actually came out, I was gonna go and get some food, but I'd got myself a little bit lost, but by the time I got out, I ended up about 3 seconds from home. Bizarre. So I'm gonna shoot off back and get myself some food and get out of this sun. I'm in the shade right now. It's getting rather hot. Now it's becoming the midday sun. So I will see you all anon.